I got it. It was in boxes. The guy had taken down as a project car.
Wow. I've been racing about 3 years. I got rear-ended in a car accident. Stuff to do. I was sitting at home, so I buffed it out, redid the motor, and, you know, just whatever I could do on days I felt good. So I'm trying to make it run now.
Yeah, you don't see them in Mustangs. What year is this again?
73. 71, 2, and 3 were the big ones like this. And then 74 was the Mustang 2.
Yeah.
So
what is this motor? 351 Cleveland.
Stock 4300D Ford carburetor. So it's a stock eliminator car. You know, blueprinted. You can't do a lot to them.
So fast it's never ran.
1148.
1148.
You know, the thing's got a weigh stock, so it's like 3,700 pounds. So it's, you know, it's, as you can see, it's got all the interior. So I have a lot of hopes it'll be faster.
Sharp car, that's for sure.
It's not happy. Thank you.
This is the NHRA stock eliminator car of Nathan Botten from Plainfield, Illinois. 1973 Ford Mustang paired up with another Ford on the right-hand side. That is Mike Franklin in a Ford Fairlane out of Burbank, Illinois. The Fairlane is out front of the Fairlane. Lights the scoreboard first 10, 60, 126 miles per hour, 1148 and 112 for Nathan Botten in the Mustang.